Hi everyone, it's Sirania here at North Park Lexus at Demayan, and welcome to another Tech Tip Thursday. Today we're going to show you how to pair your phone with the new Lexus interface via Bluetooth and how to set up the Lexus Enform app. In the setup menu, find and tap on Bluetooth settings. The system will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. On your smartphone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and your car's Bluetooth name should appear. Select Pair and confirm the passkey. You are going to allow contacts and select Use CarPlay or Android Auto. Select Yes on the interface. Now let's move on to setting up the Lexus Enform app. If you haven't already, download the Lexus Enform app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your smartphone. If you already have a Lexus account, sign in. If not, create a new account by following the on-screen instruction. After signing in, you'll be prompted to add your vehicle. Enter your VIN, which can be found on the driver's side dashboard or inside the driver's door. Follow the prompts on the app to pair it with your Lexus. This usually involves confirming a code on both your phone and the car's screen. Once paired, you can select your preferred servicing dealer in your area. Then you will need to create a 6-digit account PIN. Once you have created your PIN, you will accept terms and all conditions for your trial subscription for connected services. And there you have it. Your phone is now paired with your Lexus via Bluetooth, and the Lexus Enform app is set up and ready to go. Enjoy the seamless connectivity and enhanced driving experience. Thanks for tuning in for your Tech Tip Thursday.